just going to take this opportunity to tell you a little bit about iSquared. So iSquared is a new business that has been launched to help organizations make better decisions. And that's by unlocking the power of the data and the information that they have at their fingertips using analytics and AI to be able to really transform what they can do. There's a number of ways in which we're working with clients at the moment to really understand where the real challenges and needs are to make sure that what we're really able to do is deliver on actions that benefit the business. And it's an important aspect to understand that when you're looking at what you need to have in place for an AI strategy or a data strategy, those are empowering strategies that support the broader business strategy or customer strategy or product strategy. So it's really important that you start with where the business goals are and understand what you need to do. Now, we often find, as most organizations, will probably be familiar, a lot of the challenges exist. It doesn't tend to be about having enough data to be able to make the right decisions and make the best decisions. The challenge is generally about taking the data that you've got and actually being able to get the value from it, to bring it together, to overcome silos and to sort of really democratize data within decision making. And that's very much some of the areas in which we are helping our clients. There's a couple of different examples I'll give at the moment with one client who has invested quite significantly in a fabulous data layer, a digital layer, where they're able to bring data together from transactional data, customer data, you name it, a huge variety of what they have. And we're really helping them now to understand how they can optimize best value from that and how they can really ensure that the projects that they work on are the ones that are the most important for the business and will deliver the best returns in the short, medium, and long term. So that's a really interesting project that we're working with. There's another client that we're speaking with as well, where they actually have a lot of data themselves, but they're also part of a broader ecosystem. And that's also an international ecosystem where there is an incredible wealth of data on behavior, on operational information. And in their case, there's the ability for them to be able to not just improve what they're doing themselves, but improve the value that they can add to their customers and their clients by using that data and insight to provide additional, as I said, to give their clients greater value for what they're paying for in the first instance. So both of those, I think, are two really interesting opportunities. Now, if I just take this back to where I think some of the real sweet spots are at the moment, there's a real surge and a rush, obviously, in terms of people trying to understand how they're going to get hold of AI, integrate agentic AI within their processes, workflows, etc. And that's really important. But actually, what's more important is to understand the purpose and understand what you're trying to do. And that's what we really help people do, is to understand the purpose, dream big, and then try and build that pathway in terms of how you get there and put the plan and the structure in place to help you do that.